1 year ago, when the UFOs appeared in the sky, it became clear that humans were not alone. It was the dawn of a new era until the Martians attacked. This could be the beginning of the end for the human race. The American military has assembled a secret task force of great minds from across the nation to defend the Earth against the marching metal menace from Mars. Can they succeed? Will they be able to save the Earth from inevitable doom? The leader of this task force is said to be a young Marine captain, leading the defense against the Martian vanguard and inspiring the troops in his command. This stalwart American hero risked his own life to save thousands. If planet Earth has any hope of surviving these maddening Martian machines, surely it is in the hands of one of the world's best and brightest, the captain.
Waiting for your orders, sir. Under fire! Man, down! Nice job, soldiers. Now don't let your guard down. Let's move out! Stand down, but stay sharp. Go, go, go!